Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome to eSpares. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the shock absorber on a Kenwood washing machine. If your washing machine produces a lot of noise and vibration, then do check for an unbalanced load, but it may well be that the shock absorber has been damaged and needs to be replaced. Now, safety first, always disconnect an appliance before carrying out any work. I'm going to start by moving the machine onto its side. Remember, at home, you'll have to disconnect the hoses first. The shock absorber is located at the bottom of the cabinet and connected to the tub. With the machine on its side, here we can see the underneath of the washing machine, and here we have the shock absorber held in place at the tub by this pin that just goes all the way through. Now, to release this pin and the shock absorber, I just need to push down this tab, push the pin through as far as I can, and then use a pair of pliers to remove it completely. And also another pin at the bottom of the shock absorber, released in exactly the same way. You can then lift out the shock absorber itself. I can now grab the new shock absorber, making sure that it's extended to the right length. Then I can put it into place and replace the bottom pin first, just to hold it in place, and then I can attach it at the top. You may need a hammer or use the pliers just to put the pin into position. Like so. I can now do the top. Before turning your machine upright and reconnecting, just make sure that the pins have gone all the way through the shock absorber and that the tabs have popped up on the other side. If you don't, then it may well vibrate loose during a cycle. So there we have it, one new shock absorber fitted to this Kenwood washing machine. Remember, spares and accessories for all the appliances around your home can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.